Hey everybody, how's it going? Brian here. I'm home from work, been a long week. Thought I'd take a little bike ride, so you join me at Mount Healthy's Heritage Park. And it's a park I've never been to. It was actually not here when I was younger. There was a bunch of houses here. So we're gonna ride this path and then stop by. I have one other place I think I'm gonna stop by on this little ride. So it's gonna be a short one, but come along with me. Here we are on this path. There's a little pond right in the middle. And yeah, this used to be a whole bunch of houses when I was young. And then they built this and I have never ever been on it. So, I don't know how long, it's just really short. I'm gonna have a little stay on path, stay on path. Yeah, check it out. There you go. You know how I like my bridges. So here we are. Ooh. It's nice through this part. Nice and cool. It's in the upper 80s today, I believe, so being down here is real nice. And we're back where we started from. So let's keep on going down Hamilton Avenue here. And head to our next little destination that I figured I might as well stop at while I'm on this route.
Wait.
The best dairy bar around here. This Mount Healthy dairy bar is ridiculous. I don't have any money on me or I'd stop and get some. To get where I'm going, I gotta go that way. There's not a sidewalk, so I'll just stay on the berm as far to the right as I can. This is where that pedal assist comes in handy. Here we go. Check it out. Nice little covered bridge. It's the Jediah Hill Covered Bridge, built in 1850. Take a little cruise across it. Very cool. All right, everybody, let's head on. We're gonna go up here to the right and follow a couple miles up, and then we're gonna hit Winton Woods, and we'll go through Winton Woods and then head back home. Like I said, it's a short little ride to get out. We're cruising through Winton Woods now. Just past the shelter back there that I was up there grilling, and let me tell you, I would love to have stopped in and had a bite to eat. But they didn't invite me. Alright, we pick up at the beginning of the trail. We'll just take a nice little leisurely stroll to the main road. Alright, so we're coming up to the exit there. The lake is on the right. I'm not going to head that way and go to the main road. I'm going to go down here so we can go right by the lake. Then we'll zip around and get onto Winton Road that way and head back to the house. What do we have but a festival? Do we have a St. Bart's festival this weekend? Alright, so I had to stop. I realized I hadn't had anything to drink while I've been riding, so I brought me a Gatorade along and had to find some place in the shade. So I'm now at our Springfield Township administrative offices, just sitting in the shade in a nice little park bench back here. Just want to say thank you guys for riding along with me. I'll be home in about 10 minutes, so enjoy yourself, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.